Ever wondered how artificial intelligence plays a pivotal role in missile safety and security protocols? Well, let's delve into that fascinating topic. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just a buzzword in the tech industry, it's an integral part of our global defense systems. AI helps to predict and prevent missile threats, making our world a safer place. By processing vast amounts of data at lightning speeds, AI systems can identify patterns and anomalies that could indicate a potential missile launch. This predictive capability provides precious time for countermeasures, potentially averting catastrophe. But that's not all. AI also plays a crucial role in detecting potential security breaches. By constantly analyzing and learning from past events, it can recognize suspicious activities and alert the relevant authorities. In this way, it contributes significantly to maintaining world peace. Indeed, AI's role in missile safety and security is paramount, and it's only becoming more indispensable as technology advances. So, how exactly does artificial intelligence aid in missile safety and security protocols? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a revolutionary technology that has reshaped various sectors, including missile safety and security. But what role does it play? Let's delve into the fascinating world of AI. Firstly, AI algorithms are trained to detect threats. It's like teaching a child to differentiate between various shapes, but on a much more complex scale. These algorithms are fed vast amounts of data, which include different scenarios of potential threats. Over time, they learn to detect and identify these threats accurately. This process is known as machine learning, a subset of AI. But it's not just about recognizing threats. AI also analyzes data in real time. Imagine having to sift through an encyclopedia every time you need to find a piece of information. Time-consuming, right? AI algorithms, however, can process large amounts of data at lightning speed, identifying potential threats and assessing risk levels in a matter of seconds. This rapid data analysis is crucial during missile launches when every second